Crystals. They're beautiful. They're powerful. These natural wonders have fascinated humanity for millennia, not just for their beauty, but for their mystical properties. For centuries, witches have used them to connect with Earth's energy, to enhance their craft. Crystals are like batteries. They store energy, absorbing and amplifying the vibrations around them. They vibrate at different frequencies, each unique to the type of crystal. This subtle energy can influence our own vibrations. This affects us, our emotions, our intentions. Ancient cultures knew this and harnessed the power of crystals in their daily lives and rituals. Egyptians used lapis lazuli for protection, believing it could ward off evil and bring wisdom. Native Americans used turquoise for healing, seeing it as a sacred stone that could restore balance and health. Crystals are a bridge between us and the earth. They amplify our power, helping us to focus and direct our energy more effectively. They help us manifest our desires, turning our intentions into reality. By working with crystals, we can tap into ancient wisdom and enhance our spiritual practices. Choosing the right crystal is important. Trust your intuition. When you approach a table full of crystals, take a moment to center yourself. Breathe deeply and let your mind clear. Feel the energy in the room and allow your hand to hover over the crystals. Notice which ones draw your attention. What colors call to you? What shapes feel right? Pay attention to the subtle signals your body gives you. Sometimes a crystal's color or shape can resonate with you on a deeper level. Each crystal has unique properties. Some are known for their healing abilities, while others are used for protection or to enhance intuition. Rose quartz is for love. Amethyst is for intuition. These are just a few examples of the many crystals available. Clear quartz is an amplifier. It enhances other crystals' energy. It can be a powerful tool in your crystal collection. Hold the crystal in your hand. Close your eyes, feel its energy. Let yourself connect with the crystal on a deeper level. What do you feel? Warmth? Tingling? Peace? Trust your instincts. These sensations can guide you to the right crystal for your needs. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try different crystals. Each one has its own unique energy and can offer different benefits. See what resonates with you. Sometimes the right crystal will just feel right in your hand. Your intuition will guide you. Trust the process and let your inner wisdom lead you to the perfect crystal. Crystals can be used in many ways, for protection, for healing, for spell work. Each crystal has its own unique properties and energies that can enhance your life in different ways. Protection: carry black tourmaline for protection. This powerful stone acts as a shield against negative energies and psychic attacks. Place it near electronics to absorb negative energy. Healing amethyst promotes peace. It is known for its calming effects and can help reduce stress and anxiety. Place it under your pillow for restful sleep. This can help you have more vivid dreams and wake up feeling refreshed. Rose quartz heals emotional wounds. Hold it during meditation. This stone opens the heart chakra, promoting love and compassion. Spell work. Crystals amplify intentions. Use them in spells. They can enhance the power of your rituals and help manifest your desires more effectively. Write your desire on paper. This act of writing helps to solidify your intention and make it more tangible. Place it under a clear quartz. Clear quartz is known as the master healer and can amplify the energy of your written intention. Always cleanse your crystals regularly. This ensures they remain effective and free from any negative energies they may have absorbed. Running water, sunlight, moonlight. This removes negative energy. Cleansing your crystals in these natural elements restores their vibrancy and potency. Starting with crystals is easy. Choose one that resonates with you. Cleanse it, hold it in your hand. Set your intention, carry it with you. Meditate with it, use it in spells. Be open to its energy. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Crystals are here to help. They amplify our power. They connect us to the earth. Embrace the magic of crystals. Let them guide you on your spiritual journey.